stuffing your face as usual.
I gotta have a good meal, John.
Garfield, you fat cat, why are you so big and fat? Why are you so fat?
I eat, John. It's what I do. It's time to kick Odie off the table.
Don't do it, Garfield. That's our pet dog, Odie.
You're going into orbit, you stupid mutt.
GRRRRFFFF field.
It's time to take a nap. I'm a cat who loves to snoop.
Garfield, you lazy cat.
I hate alarm clocks. I'm hungry, I want some lasagna.
You eating us out of house and home, Garfield.
Enough with the chit-chat, let's get some grub going.
Where are the 3 cheese pizzas?
I ate those food.
Where are the taco shells?
I ate those food.
Where did all the hamburger helper go? You are such a bad kitty cat, that's it, I had it with you, that does it, I'm done, that's the last straw, Garfield.
You don't care about Glimmer or any of us, you only care about tech.
Are you all mad at me?
You're gonna make it, little Bueno! You just keep scraping along! Oh, little Bueno! I don't know what I'm doing with my life! I'm thinking of getting into male modeling!
Super Rescue Team!